Hey guys, here is the Crazy Barbie here, and today I'm going to be playing Minecraft, as you can see. Update version 14.0. I have just recently got this game. First time playing it. And yeah, let's play. How about YouTube history? Yeah. Survival. Yeah, that's good. Let's begin. Seems like a good world. Well, I have played this game on my friend's phone before. Yeah. That's how I know how the controls and stuff. I played this on my friend's phone, and I kept dying a lot, so don't judge me if I die, please. Wait, I have to see what difficulty it's on first. Oh my god. So, I'm not sure if my house would be. This one isn't gonna be my house, this video. Maybe when I end this video, maybe guys in the comment section below, maybe you can tell me how my house should be like or look like. If you want, it doesn't really matter, but So this one's just gonna be trying to survive for like the first few nights, yes. Yeah, I'm gonna try to send me some others. Make me a sword. Give me a sword. Kill me that sheep. If you have any like advice for me, let's leave it down in the comments, because I'm not really used to this update. Version 14. I played like version like 7, I think. My friends, because I don't even know who is version 7. I don't even know what version the versions are. I like played like the lowest version probably on my friends, because it was like a while ago. And the first time I heard this game, I was playing on my cousin's phone. I think his mom's phone, and he was like, hey Cameron, look at this game. It's called Minecraft. But he just had a demo. So, and then I seen at GameStop. I was like, you know what? So I was like, well, I asked my grandma so she can get it. So I got it for my Xbox. And then this last Christmas, I got $60 gift card from my grandmother. So I just bought it on my tablet. Yeah. That's not, I also bought Lifeline, if you know what that is. It's a pretty fun game, like survival horror. You tell this guy what to do. Yeah. Probably don't want to know about that yet. Well, you probably already do know about that. It only costs 99 cents though. Yeah, I'm gonna stop. So last time I played this, like, I died by zombies. He was like, "Oh, don't worry. I mean, don't like my cousin was like, don't freak out." But zombies come out at night. I was like, "What?" So I had to like hide. I like built my place out of sandstone. Yeah, those weren't the time. Oh yeah, and then I went out to like see, and then I like, at the time the zombies were like seriously jumpy. So so when I broke my sandstone, they were like just waiting for me, and like, so he like tried to hit me. I was trying to build my thing back, my sandstone, and next thing you know, I'm dead. I'm like, seriously? Yeah, my little brother just came in the room. Yeah. Stupid cow. Yeah. Stupid pig. Get here. Oh, did you see that? Cow right there. Give me. Dang it. Oh, it's a fat cow right there. Maybe this one? Oh, sorry if my gameplay is a little laggy. I mean, probably because I don't know. I might know. I'm not sure, but pretty stupid reason. Bow and arrow. I don't know. I killed that. Could erase it on my own. Who's that now? Well, yeah. So this probably will be my place so I can build my house. Just leave in the comment section below how it should look, and maybe some little, things to help me, advice. So yeah, I'm gonna have to end the video there. See you next time.